guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nygia if you are new, and if you aren't new, thank you guys for coming back and hanging with your girl. So as you can see by the title, this is a Shein haul. This is my very first haul for the year, so I'm super excited to be doing this because I know y'all love Shein hauls. But also I wanted to do this haul for the whole basis of rebuilding my wardrobe. I'm doing like sort of a series called rebuilding my wardrobe. So today we're starting with like basics, essentials, everyday wear that you should have in your closet. So most things I already have, but I did want to add a little bit more pieces that I did not and that I needed. So we're gonna get into that today. So if you guys are interested and you want to see that whole process in this entire series, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, y'all, and then hit the notification bell button so that you can get updates for when I upload. Stay tuned for the next haul. It might not be next week, but it might be the week afterwards since I just upload one time a week. But yeah, if you guys are interested in watching me rebuild my wardrobe, as well as you wanting to get some tips and some ideas on what to buy, so definitely stick around. I have a lot of good content cooking up for this series. One of my 2023 goals is like to refine my style, figure out what I like to wear, and figure out like my signature look, my signature style. So y'all will see me develop that as we rebuild my wardrobe. But today we're gonna get into the basics. So yeah, let me stop rambling and get into it. Before we start, this set I'm wearing is not Shein, it is Amazon. Now I'm obsessed with Amazon. I am an Amazon influencer, so it's only right to wearing something from Amazon. So this is a two-piece brown like Skims like set. It feels so good, buttery soft, it snugs you. So I will link this set down below so you guys can check this out, and then I will also link my actual storefront. Okay, first things first, I felt like I needed some jewelry, so here we are. We have this really cute mini in necklace. So if you ever notice, if I'm wearing a necklace, it's always a letter necklace. I don't know, I just like to wear like simple, small, dainty necklaces. I don't like to layer, so this is definitely a staple for me. Okay, so next you can see me putting in the DAZY Minimalist hoop earrings, and these are super cute. Oh my gosh, ignore all the blemishes on my face, girl, but get into the earrings. On camera and on the product photo, it does look small, but it actually is kind of big. And then next we just have some square drop earrings. And then lastly, I got these stud rhinestone decor earrings in gold and silver. Okay, so let's jump into the handbags. I didn't specifically get this for this type of haul. I literally got this last year specifically for an outfit, but the outfit didn't work out. However, this is such a cute neutral bag with the silver hardware, and then that is like a faux pocket, but these are the actual pockets. I'm sorry, this actual storage in the bag, and then you can throw it over your shoulder, or you can just hold it as a tote. I like it more as a tote. This bag has a lot of character, which is why I got it. It gives like an edgy vibe, but the studs really sold me, as well as the square structure of it. So same thing for this bag. I got this last year and it's still in stock. I have a love-hate relationship with this bag. I do not necessarily like the color of the bag. I wish it was more of a true gold. It's a little rusty gold that I'm really not digging, but like at the same time I do dig it. I don't know how to describe it, but it's gonna be hard to like match up accessories with it, but I'll figure it out. Either way, I like it without the straps, but the clutch is very cute and it would definitely be a good statement piece to an outfit. Okay, so this is not really an essential, but I really wanted some pumps. I wanted some pumps because I don't care. I love the trend of the pumps with bootcut jeans or like oversized pants. I literally love it. Or with cargos too. I've seen cargos. I got those last year, the ones that are on the screen, this gold metallic-y pump. And I like these, but it bends, so that's how y'all know it's kind of cheap, because they're super pointy, and honestly like the material isn't that good. So I mean, it's, but anywho, let's move along to the clothing. So here I have a denim skirt that I bought that is too small for me, so I'm kind of sad, as you can see. Yeah, I bought it too small. I don't know what I was thinking getting an extra small when I've been in the gym working my ass off, and girl, it's a dump truck back there. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna give these away, like, I don't know, but I do want to get another denim skirt, so I'm probably gonna order it again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So here I am trying on this two-piece set from the Shein Unity collection. Girl, this is it. I am absolutely obsessed with this two-piece set. I can't wait to wear this outside of my house. Maybe not this one, but the other one I'm gonna show you all in a second. Where I live, it's definitely giving summer, spring, fall. I don't know what's going on. It's supposed to be winter, but this is definitely going to be for in-house lounging. It's literally so comfortable, and it does not have that feeling of like itchiness that some of Shein's clothes have. This is super comfortable. I absolutely love it, y'all. I love this freaking set. Y'all gonna see me in this set all the time. So here is the beige one. I love this. It gives a whole different type of vibe, which it could be for lounging, but I feel like in the sidebar, y'all are witnessing me realize that I had the top one wrong. I'm screaming. But no, this gives off like a beach club vibe, don't you think? No? Yeah. Either way, look how it complements my skin. Bro, this is super freaking cute. I recommend y'all get this. Definitely get this for the summer, in-house too. Like, it could be such a cute aesthetic. All right, here we go with denim. Yeah, period. I love denim. Denim is an essential. Okay, so this outfit was not planned. I've already had these pants for like, I don't know, probably going on a few years now. I purchased this jacket without even realizing that this matches perfectly with these pants. Literally. Here's me about to square up with my mirror because it like literally just started shaking. Anyways, I needed a black denim jacket, so here we are, and I'm just feeling like DAZY, or like it's giving that. Okay, so my clips are going super fast. So I needed a white bodysuit. I didn't have any white bodysuits or this style of bodysuit in white, so here we are. This bodysuit is from the Shein Unity collection, and I must say the Unity collection is really good quality. The bodysuit felt very soft and buttery, and it was very snug, so I really like that. And I also purchased this blazer. It's called the Lapel collar roll-up sleeve blazer. I really needed a blazer, but I don't think I should have gotten it from Shein. I should have just gone with my first instinct and splurged on a real blazer. But besides the point, I'm going to keep the blazer because it's lightweight and it isn't too dressy, so I could wear this to like a brunch if I wanted to give a little bit of classy and dressy, but not too much, you know. So I did get a black blazer as well, thinking that it was going to have some structure and it was going to be a little bit stiff too, but it wasn't. It looks like it, but it isn't. However, like I said, I'm going to keep the blazers just to give a slightly dressy vibe. I'm looking for a really stiff blazer, which I know is going to cost me a pretty penny, so I'm ready for that. I'm ready to grow up and get my big girl blazer. Right here I look very professional. Also, I got both blazers in a medium, and I honestly was really skeptical about getting it in a medium because my arms are very long. Y'all know that I have this problem with my long arms and my long legs, so I was like, should I get a large or should I get a medium? And honestly, I do not like that my arms are kind of showing, but I guess that's how it's supposed to fit. I don't know. Also, those straight leg pants that I'm wearing that kind of look like professional slacks, those are from Shein. I will link those. So here we have this bodysuit. The sweats are from Amazon. So this bodysuit is the same bodysuit as the white one, but it's just in like the beige nude color. Like I said before, the Unity collection really eats with the quality that they put in the material of these tops and sets. Also, the Unity collection is a little bit more pricier, so I see why it's such great quality. I was going for a chill vibe with this, but of course a nude body set is always essential in your closet. So lastly, I got these bodysuits that are t-shirt style. I got them in gray, and then you'll see soon that I got a black one, and I paired them with these sweats for like a chill vibe, but I did need a top like this because I didn't have one. So I got it in the bodysuit form just because I didn't want that loose fitting feel. I wanted it to be snug and tight. So it can look just like this in these sweats, and then also with the black one, same thing. So yeah, disregard my padding. I couldn't find my strapless bra, so all right, y'all, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As y'all can see, like my hair is all messed up from like trying on everything, but yes, so we reached the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the things that I bought. It was pretty short. Like, I just needed to add a few more things that I was missing from like my basics collection, and then just like some other essential things. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like this video and comment down below and let me know if y'all are doing the same thing as me, like rebuilding your wardrobe, trying to start the new year, doing the whole new year new me thing. And there's nothing wrong with that, literally nothing wrong with that. If you Oh, okay, so this is by my favorite, like my favorite person on Twitter, who like she sends out daily devotionals or morning devotionals. Her name is Dr. Moekasi, and her @ name is AUSBASSIE. Anyways, it says the good thing about living life is that you can reset, reinvent, and rebrand as many times as you want to. If who you are today is no longer working, change until you get it right. Life has no manual, you call the shots. Period. And that's with everything in life, not just with like, you know, changing your style. If you're not a content creator today but you want to be a content creator tomorrow, who's to say you can't? Go get your stuff, baby. Go get your ring light, go get your camera. So yeah, that's like literally my motto. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, put my notifications on for the next upload, and I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget to follow me on my socials: TikTok at Nygia Lauren, Instagram at Nygia Lauren, and yeah, stay connected with me so you can see my content, my mini content on my TikTok and my Instagram and on my Pinterest. Hopefully I'm upload on there, but we'll see. So with that being said, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.